We're pouring motor oil onto a bearing, mounted on a machine. The machine simulates extremely accelerated bearing wear. Two drops of DWD2 Metal Conditioner are added to the oil on the bearing. A pin bearing mounted to this lever is now mounted to the machine. When the machine is turned on, the treated bearing spins rapidly. The longer lever transfers weight to the first lever. The combined leverage multiplies pressure on the pin bearing by 11 times the weight. This weight hanger already has a 5-pound steel weight. 4 5-pound dumbbells are being added. The machine has been continually running. There are about 275 pounds of pressure on that pin bearing now. We're adding yet another dumbbell. This one is a 10-pounder. It increases the total pressure of the pin bearing to over 395 pounds, or 180 kilograms. The machine doesn't slow down, even under all that pressure. The reason is DWD2 Metal Conditioner has made the bearing so smooth, friction is practically eliminated, even under near 400 pounds or 180 kilograms of pressure. Inspection of the pin bearing reveals a very small buff spot as a result of all the intense and prolonged pressure. Untreated, that bearing would have been destroyed. DWD2 Metal Conditioner could not be easier to use. Add 1 bottle with your scheduled oil changes for the first year. Treat with the second or third oil change after the first year. 1 bottle is used for up to 5 quarts of motor oil. If your motor oil uses more oil than that, use 1 part conditioner to 25 parts motor oil. That's how easy it is. Use DWD2 Metal Conditioner to start enjoying increased fuel mileage, optimum power, and minimum wear. All of this because DWD2 Metal Conditioner practically eliminates friction on all the moving parts of your motor.